Hi there, Linda Artesani Accounting. Well, we're almost to the conference. Yes, the conference is right around the corner. And I'm talking about the accounting conference called Scaling New Heights 2021. And it's in Fort Worth, Texas on October 24th through the 27th. And as I mentioned in the previous videos, you'll hear about the different courses that I'm teaching. And I'm on that last one, and it's Role Play Your Way to Advisory Services. And I'm co-teaching that with my friend, Matthew Fulton. So this course is going to be a little bit of having fun and role playing inside in the class when you're with the other people that are in the group with us. And also be a little bit of role playing between Matthew and I. We did this course last year and we had a lot of fun with it. We get to be the evil client and we get to be the fun client. We can get to be the agreeable or maybe the not so agreeable client and try to see how each other works on their toes to add that advisory piece. I can remember when I first started hearing the word advisory, be an advisor instead of an accountant or a bookkeeper, and what that meant to me. I was a little confused on what that means. We'll dive into that as well. I also remember trying it out. I had the bright idea with my current client base, and this is pre me becoming a specialist working only with law firms, reaching out to some clients that I had that I thought might be open to it and offering the service up for free to see how I could navigate the waters of it and how I could get them excited about growing their business with my assistance, being their partner, and then seeing if I could get paid for that service. So we'll get into that a little bit too. I'll tell you some ways that worked, some ways that didn't work. I'm sure Matthew will share a lot of what he knows about how he does advisory services. We come from very different viewpoints on this, which is a good thing. So you get to see a lot of perspective. So I hope you join us this week coming up. I hope you're coming to the conference. I hope you're coming. And if you're coming, I hope you show up and see us and come play with us and role play. And until the next video, please hit the like button or the subscribe if you've enjoyed this. And I hope you all have a wonderful, wonderful week. Bye now.